And last one is social entrepreneur. So social entrepreneurs, they always work for society. They drive social innovation and transformation in various fields, including education, health, human rights, workers' rights, environment, and enterprise development. So the social entrepreneurs, they work in wide areas of social relevance like education, health, human rights, workers' rights, environment, and enterprise development. They undertake poverty alleviation objective the zeal of an entrepreneur. Poverty alleviation means making this country devoid of poverty. Nobody in this country is under poverty line, and they dare to overcome traditional practices and innovate. They will always innovate, and uh, they try to prove that the traditional practices which they believe can be changed to make innovation in the society. Example is Mahatma Gandhi. So he was obsessed. He was a man of sustainability, being environment friendly, making the best use of local resources, growth of villages, power of cooperatives, promoting local industry, and community driven initiatives. So Mahatma Gandhi is an example for all these things because his actions were motivated towards all these things. If entrepreneurs can be described as visionaries who could solve the problems with the way of new thinking, Gandhi certainly fits the bill. So social entrepreneurs can be called as visionaries. Visionaries means people who can foresee something which is very prosperous when you try to do all these. Sustainability means you try to sustain the market, environment friendly. You don't pollute the environment, making the best use of local resources. So let us rely only on local resources, growth of villages. So when you do the best use of local resources, the villages are going to be automatically improved. Power of cooperatives, only when you're united you are strong. So you have to be united always. Promoting local industry, khadi, you know about khadi cloths, right? So khadi is from the villagers. So if our country is going to promote khadi means, then definitely that is going to be a good source of income for us. But when we are not promoting our own products, then that cannot be, you cannot achieve that. Promoting local industry and community driven initiatives specific to a community. You will target a community and try to upgrade their lives. The social entrepreneurs are called as visionaries, and Mahatma Gandhi is certainly a visionary. You might even know about Mahakavi Bharatiyar, and before we got freedom, he died, but he had written songs foreseeing that we will get freedom for sure. So that sort of foreseeing capability you should have when you're going to be an entrepreneur.